Hi teacher, my name is Omar Lagos, and if you could have any job in the world, which job would? I like the countryside and the outdoors, and I think that in the world of my dreams, I would be head of agricultural extension. In this position, I will have the opportunity to carry out projects of technification, transformation, and research in productive areas. I will have to travel a lot, and that is something I like. In addition to know place and people with other customs. So for me, this will be my dream job. And you? What would be your dream job?